Afraz. Today I'm going to talking about units. So what are units? Units are the measurements of quantities. Like we use 5 meters of rope when we go to buy rope and 5 kilograms of some fruits or vegetables. What if I tell you the units are divided into two types, fundamental and derived. Fundamental means which are the basic 7 units which does not change upon temperature or time and it does not change in anything. It is having a constant value. So these fundamental quantities are mass, I will tell you commonly length, time, mass, electric current, after that candle, thermodynamic temperature and electricity, luminous intensity, amount of substances. And the second one is derived quantity. Derived quantity is which is derived from the fundamental quantities. In this derived quantities and fundamental quantities, these can be taken into units. So the units are meter, kilogram like that. And these units can be divided into three parts, which are three system, and these will have different name for the units. For example, we can take in British, they will call per meter foot. I will show you. So these are the three systems, CGS, MKS, and FPS. So for this is mass, I will write it again. It's not that clear. Mass. So in mass, CGS system, we call it CGS system. So it's a gram. You can see the G over here. Gram. Oh, just a minute. I'll write it again. Gram. For mass, MK system is kilogram. Kg. Kilo. Kilogram. And for FGS system is pound. Just a minute. Okay. For time in CGS system, it is seconds. And in MKS system, it is also seconds. I'll write it over again. So, seconds. Again, it is seconds, so I'll write SCC, seconds. And for FPS system, it is also seconds. And for length, the CGS system is centimeter. Yes, centimeter. Centimeter. And for MKS system, it is meter. It is meter. And for FPS system, it is foot. As I told you, in British, they will call it as foot. I will write centimeter also again. Okay. So today we have learned about units and the different types of units there, fundamental and derived. They can be, these units can be divided into three parts, CGS, FPS and MKS. And these will have different types of unit names for them. Thank you.